wholesale bid. Here we have MMT Chino Market Maker trading an entry here at $8.30 off of the right off of that low wholesale entry. The high was 1060. We've had a 3, we've had a 6, we've had a 9 breakout. We got the brain pumping 41. He's getting down 0.63 ratio. If he goes below it, we're going to get more price follow through, and he's going to have a way to sell these up toward the highs, and the way to exit the contract. And we got hit over here on Google 13.70. Okay, so we scaled that one there, and they're taking all the 590 puts out. But here, we're going to watch this brain, and we're going to see, we're below 40, so it's going to have to be half bar right here. So as he's putting the bottom in, no, don't worry, there's nothing to panic about. The thing about it is, young man, is that you're still burning, but you need to get above 0.45. And this got to go below, 0.65's got to go below 0.60. When that happens, you'll continue to go higher. If it doesn't happen, you're going to pull back to half of the bar. So you got a 369 muscle move trade based on a wholesale entry. You're $3.20 below the market on your market maker entry in the option. And then being long here at the 9 is if you don't take out this this previous bar is going to come into play. And here's your ratio, 0.65. You got to go below 0.60 for that move to keep going. Otherwise, 319.55, and it's 319.56 by 60. That's how accurate our half bar is. You don't want to close above it. You need to see an ascending ratio above it. Chino, brand new MMT trading wholesale 320 calls on Google out of the Australia area, learning how to be an MMT market maker. And he knows that the wholesale bid, got to go below 60 here. Watch your current turn ratio. You got to go below 60. When you go below 60, you're going to break out there. MMT. And these calls would go higher. You still have a nice profit. It doesn't matter for what they're willing to give in the option contract based on that movement. And if you can get above 45, and we're long the equity as well, because we finally put in the market maker trade. And there it is. There's that bottom. Half bar, bam, held half bar, 369. I'm working on a 12. I want to maintain half of this bar at 319.55, 60 by 60 pennies in the regular public market print. Your ratio here must go down, Chino. 0.62's got to go below 60 so that you can break that teeny high. If you don't go below 60 here, you can't break the teeny high. Watch the ratio, Chino. There it is. Congratulations. Bullhorn, wholesale, bullhorn, wholesale price, bullhorn entry, wholesale market maker entry, public 1060, MMTs down here 830, 825. That's wholesale. There's that breakout. You're below. There you go, Chino. Watch your ratio. Your ratio is 0.55. You're below that 6. That's how you could break up on that teeny high, and you've been given a gift. Merry Christmas to you at the wholesale bid.